If you walk into any smartphone aisle today, whether it's a carrier store, a big box retailer, or even an online marketplace, you'll notice something different. Phone cases aren't just slim shells or decorative covers anymore. Increasingly, they look more rugged, more engineered, and more purpose-built. Thick edges, reinforced corners, internal suspension systems. These are high-durability phone cases with built-in shock frames, and they're becoming one of the fastest-growing accessory trends in the US market. Just a few years ago, most consumers prioritized sleekness and aesthetics when buying phone cases. But that preference is shifting, and it's happening for a very practical reason. Smartphones have become too expensive and too essential to risk damage. With flagships ranging from $900 to $1,400 and mid-range models climbing past $500, Americans aren't taking chances. Instead, they're investing in cases that promise real protection, not just style. So what exactly is driving the rise of shock frame phone cases, and why is this becoming such a dominant trend? The first major driver is the cost of repairs. Screen replacements, back glass repairs, and camera module fixes have all skyrocketed in price. Modern phones use curved screens, stacked sensors, glass backs, and tightly integrated components that make repairs incredibly labor-intensive. Consumers who once paid $100 for a simple screen fix now face bills of $300, $400, or even more. For many, the repair cost feels nearly as painful as buying a new phone. Shock frame cases directly address that problem. These cases incorporate internal suspension systems. Think of them like tiny bumpers or shock absorbers wrapped around the frame of the phone. When the device hits the ground, the impact is dispersed across the case rather than transmitted to the phone's structure. The design reduces the risk of cracks, fractures, and internal damage, saving consumers hundreds of dollars in potential repairs. Another factor is the way people use their phones today. Smartphones have evolved from simple communication devices into daily essentials. Navigation tools, payment wallets, work hubs, gaming consoles, and mini cameras for capturing life's moments. As their utility increases, so does the time they spend in risky environments: gym floors, parking lots, sidewalks, job sites, hiking trails, and busy kitchens. The old ultra-thin case doesn't cut it anymore. Consumers want peace of mind whether they're multitasking, exercising, or on the move. Shock frame cases offer that security without requiring bulky, heavy-duty brick-like designs. An interesting part of this trend is how manufacturers are blending durability with design. Early rugged cases were chunky and unattractive, necessary for protection, but not something style-conscious consumers enjoyed. Today's shock frame models use transparent backs, slim silhouettes, and colored corner bumpers that make durability look modern. Companies have discovered that people want ruggedness and visual appeal, and thanks to new materials and engineering, they can now deliver both. Material innovation is also fueling this rise. New polymers, hybrid rubbers, air pocket structures, and energy-dissipating foams have allowed brands to design cases that are much stronger without adding significant weight. Even magnetic-compatible versions, with built-in rings for wireless chargers and accessories, are now being built with shock frames, something impossible just a few years ago. Another driver is consumer longevity habits. Americans are keeping their phones longer. Upgrade cycles have stretched from 18 months to 3 to 4 years for many users, especially as software support expands and hardware improvements become more incremental. When people commit to using one phone for several years, they become more willing to invest in protective accessories that extend lifespan. Retailers have noticed the trend too. High durability cases have become top sellers in electronics stores because they offer higher margins and fewer returns. Many carriers now promote shock frame cases at the moment of purchase because they reduce warranty claims and accidental damage reports. As a result, they're easy to find, well displayed, and often bundled with new phone sales. There's also a psychological factor at play. Modern consumers expect products to be resilient. Whether it's rugged laptops, water-resistant earbuds, or shock-resistant power banks, Americans are gravitating toward tech that survives real-life use. Shock frame phone cases fit perfectly within this broader cultural shift toward durability and practicality. Social media has amplified the trend as well. Drop test videos, durability challenges, and real-life phone survival stories generate millions of views, reinforcing the idea that strong cases are worth the investment. When people see phones surviving extreme drops thanks to a shock frame, the value becomes immediately clear. Another important factor is insurance fatigue. Device insurance plans have become more expensive, with higher deductibles and more exclusions. Many consumers feel that paying $12 to $18 per month for coverage, plus a $150 to $250 deductible, just doesn't make sense. Instead, they're choosing to spend $30 to $70 on a high-durability shock frame case that dramatically reduces the risk of needing insurance at all. This trend is also transforming product design. Some companies are developing modular shock frames that snap onto ultra-thin cases, letting customers choose the protection level they need. Others are building shock frame cases specifically tailored to outdoor enthusiasts, job site workers, or parents with young children, groups that demand extra protection. Looking ahead, shock frame technology will likely become a standard expectation rather than a premium upgrade. As smartphone prices continue to rise and consumers expect longer lifespans, high-durability cases will become a must-have accessory for the majority of users. Brands will compete not just on aesthetics, but on drop ratings, independent safety certifications, and innovative impact-absorbing materials. We may even see collaborations between smartphone manufacturers and case makers, creating co-designed protection systems that integrate directly with the phone's structure. As internal materials improve and external cases advance, the line between phone and protective gear will blur. In the end, the rise of high-durability phone cases with built-in shock frames reflects a broader truth about consumer behavior. People want technology that survives real life. They want phones that can withstand drops, slips, and everyday chaos without adding stress or unexpected bills. And as long as smartphones remain central to daily life and expensive to repair, the demand for tough, intelligently engineered cases will only keep growing. High-durability, shock frame phone cases aren't just a trend. They're a response to the realities of modern life and a sign of how technology and protection are evolving together.